Imagine a world teeming with intelligent machines, where robots seamlessly blend into our daily lives. Welcome to the fascinating realm of robotics, where science fiction converges with reality, and the future is being shaped by automation. What are these robots, you might ask, and how exactly do they work? And perhaps most importantly, how do they impact our lives? Dr. Alex Chen, an expert in the field, explains, robotics is an interdisciplinary domain that brings together engineering, computer science, and artificial intelligence. Its goal is to design, construct, and operate machines capable of autonomous action. Indeed, at the heart of robotics is autonomy. Robots are equipped with sensors, actuators, and sophisticated algorithms, enabling them to perceive their environment, make decisions, and act in real time. In the healthcare sector, robots are transforming the way surgical procedures are performed. They provide surgeons with enhanced precision and control, enabling the execution of complex operations. But robots aren't confined to operating rooms. They're becoming integral to our everyday lives, serving as companions, assistants, and educators. A business owner who has incorporated robotics into their operations shares, adopting robotics in our business processes has streamlined operations, reduced costs, and improved efficiency across the board. Indeed, robots are reshaping industries, from manufacturing and logistics to agriculture and entertainment, revolutionizing how we work and live. However, as we embrace the potential of robotics, we must also grapple with the ethical, social, and economic challenges it presents. Issues around job displacement, privacy, and inequality demand thoughtful consideration and proactive solutions. As we journey towards unlocking the full potential of robotics, one thing is clear. The future is brimming with possibilities, driven by these remarkable machines. As we wrap up this exploration of robotics, we've delved into the definition of robotics, its application in various sectors, including healthcare and businesses, and the societal implications it brings. So, join us again for more captivating insights into the world of technology. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more. Until next time, keep exploring the marvels of robotics and its impact on the future of automation.